So today I'm going to show you a new feature on the Robinhood investing app called stock lending. Now you can see here a little bit towards the bottom of the screen, I have access to this right now. You might not have access just yet as the feature is still rolling out, but at least you can learn more about it here in today's video. So let's go ahead and click on get started right over here. And then you're going to see it says earn extra income on your portfolio. It says get the opportunity to earn income on stocks you already own just by turning on stock lending. We work to find borrowers and you get paid when there's a match. So it says tell me more. You can see right over here it says with stock lending, leave it to us. We do the work of finding borrowers and lending out shares from your portfolio. You can earn interest, which is receiving automatic monthly payments for any loaned out shares. Trade with no restrictions. It says sell your shares at any time and realize gains or losses as you would otherwise. You can click on continue and you can see how much you would like to make. So you can put in a amount right there. And it says hypothetical stock value on the loan and then hypothetical annualized lending interest rate. So you can kind of go through that if you want to and then hit on continue. And then there's a few more things here that you can learn about when it comes to going through this process. It says only stocks on loan earn interest. Dividends are paid out differently. You can see right there, it says dividends earned by stocks on loan are paid as cash and may be taxed differently than typical dividend payments. Shareholding voting rights are modified. You're protected with cash collateral. And then it says note for margin enabled customers as well. So make sure you go through all of that. If everything looks good, you can click on continue to agreements. So from right over here, it takes you to the agreement page and you can go through this and read everything. And then towards the bottom, you're going to see where it says review and then go ahead and agree on that if everything looks proper for you. And right here, it says you are ready to start earning. It says we'll get to work to finding borrowers for your portfolio. Check out your stock lending dashboard to see any stocks on loan and interest payments. So you can click on view dashboard. And then it's going to take you right over here to where it says stock lending. So you can see how much you earned last month and your total. And then it's going to give you updates as well. You can see around 3 p.m. Eastern time every trading day. Then you can also disable at the very bottom over there if you want to stop doing the stock lending. Real quick, before we continue on with the video, if you're getting value out of this, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're getting some great value, make sure you hit that thanks button down below to help support out the channel. So in order to get to the stock lending page from your main account, once you have the account created, you're going to click the person icon on the bottom right hand of the screen. You're going to go to the hamburger icon on the top left of the screen. And then from the top page right over here, you're going to see where it says investing. We're going to go ahead and click there. And then if you actually scroll down the page just a little bit here, you're going to see an option right after cash sweeping. It says stock lending. It's currently enabled and you can view stock lending, which will take you back to that page we just saw earlier. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing when it comes to utilizing Robinhood, so check out my next video right over here on screen. My name is Dennis, and I will help you in that next video.